Okay, so we have two words, factors and then multiples. Okay, so what are the difference between the factors and then multiples? So let's understand with an example. Okay, so I'm gonna write taking any two numbers, let's say 9 and then 18. Okay, so let's write the 9 times table. So 9 times table starting from the 9, then 18, then 27, then 36, then 45, then 54, dash 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 dash, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. And next 18, got it? Next 36, next what is that? 54, 72, dash 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 dash. Okay. So before learning the factors and the multiples, if you see over here, like say 19, see 9 in the 9 times table, you can see the 18 here, right? Then 36, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we have 54 over here, right? So which means you can see clearly in the 9 times table and 18 times table, there are something which are common, you know, right?
Yeah.
Something which are the common. So the which one is the smallest number? Which one is the
18.
smallest number which comes in 9 times table and 18 times table?
18.
18, right? Okay, so 18 is the smallest
Common multiple.
common multiple, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? So we can also say that this is LCM, which is known as the least common multiple. You got it? What is mean by the LCM? I'll come that
Lowest
point
common.
with the factors and the multiples. First understand the LCM. You got it?
Yeah.
So LCM is the least common multiple, right? Okay, now let's understand what is the highest common multiple or the factor. Factor, whenever we have a multiple and whenever we have a factor, so factor, that's something divides completely, what do you mean by the completely? Completely, which means where the remainder is 0, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? And the multiple, which means which comes in times table, got it? So these are the
Yeah.
basic differences between the factors and then multiples, right? Okay, we have an example of 9 and 18. So 9 and then 18. So which one can completely divided? Which number can completely divide both of the number? So you can divide 9 by 9 and 18 by 9, which means 1 quotient over here and 2 quotient over here, 0 remainder and the 0 remainder. Got it?
Yes.
Right? Make sure the quotients are whole number. Got it? Or you can say the basically the natural number, not the whole number. It can be the natural number. Make sure that. Okay? Natural number start from where? It start from 1, 2, 3, keep on going, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? These are the natural numbers. Okay. Let's do it in the opposite. We have 9, we have 18. Okay. So let's divide 18 by 18. Got it? So I'll get 1 here, but what I'll get 0.5 here. Still I don't have the remainder, right? But what is the difference is that here the quotient is the natural number, whereas the quotient is not the natural number. Got it? Right? In this case, in the case 1, in case 2, right? In case 1, you can see a number 9, right? Which completely divides both of the number 9 as well as the 18, isn't it? So
Yes.
in this case, 9 is what? 9 is factor of 9 and 18 as well. Got it? But when you look at
Yeah.
in the case 2, the 18 is not a factor of 9. It can be the multiple of 9, but it cannot be the factor of 9. Clear my point?
Yeah.
Right? So it's not a factor. So now you have idea what are the factors and what are the multiples. Okay, so I'm gonna write over here two numbers, two questions. You can see, write down first 5 multiple of each. Let's say 2 and 5. So how can you write the first 5 multiple? I told you the multiples are something which comes under times table, isn't it? So 2,
Yeah.
the first 5 multiple is 2, then 4, then tell me 6, after that 8, after
8.
that 10, dash
Right.
dash dash. Got it? Okay, in the
Yeah.
case for 5, what we have?
5.
5.
15.
Yes.
25.
What happened? Oh wait, my whiteboard just stuck. Okay, but it's trying to be adjusting itself. Okay, fine. So it's gonna be 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Got it? That's right. Okay, now next question I'm gonna write all the possible factor of each, factors of each. Got it? Number is, let's say 16 and let's say 100. Okay, so by what number or by which number that 16 can be completely divided? So we can divide the 16 by 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
We can divide 16 by 2. We can divide 16 by 4. We can divide 16 by 8,
8.
right? We can divide 16 by 16 itself. So these are gonna be the factors. Okay, so now you have to tell me for the 100.
You can divide it by 1,
Okay.
by 2,
Mm-hmm.
by 4,
Yeah.
by 5,
Mm-hmm.
and 10,
Mm-hmm.
and then
20. Then 25.
25.
Then 50. Then
Then 100.
100. Right? So these are the factors of the given numbers. Now, okay, we have two things also that we need to learn. The prime numbers, I'm going to write the first the prime numbers and the composed number. Okay, right. If you see the prime numbers, if you talk about the prime numbers, the factors, so all the prime numbers, they have factor 1 and itself. You can divide all the prime numbers either by 1 or by itself. Got it? But
Yeah.
the composite number factor, what do you have? You have other than this also, right? No, including one and itself. You know, so this is
Yeah.
gonna be composite factor. Okay, so let's write the first. I'm gonna write the number from 1 to 50, and you have to pick which are the prime numbers, right? First, let me write the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then 50, 50. Right? Okay. So you have to tell me which one are the prime numbers. So 1 is a prime number.
No.
2 is a prime number.
Yeah. Yes.
3 is a prime number.
Yes.
4 is a prime number.
No.
5 is a prime number.
Yeah.
6 is a prime number.
No.
7 is a prime number.
Yes.
8 is a prime number.
No.
9 is a prime number.
No.
10 is a prime number.
No.
11 is a prime number.
Yes.
12 is a prime number.
No.
13 is a prime number.
Yes.
14 is a prime number.
Yes. No. No. No.
15 is a prime number.
No.
16 is a prime number.
No.
17 is a prime number.
Yes.
So similarly we have 19, right? Then 23. After that, tell me.
27.
27, are you sure?
Oh, no. 29.
29. After that, 31. Then after 31.
Is it 41?
No, we have one more. This one, right? And 41 and 43
43.
and
47.
47. So you can see if you write the first 50 natural numbers, right? So how many prime numbers are there? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 prime numbers in first 50 numbers. Got it? Right? And the rest of them are the composite number. So I think this is clear what the prime numbers, what are the composite number, what do you mean by the factors, what do you mean by the multiples, isn't it? Right?
Yeah.
And what do you mean by the LCM and then HCF? Everything I have given to you. Okay? Right?
Okay.
So this is done for this, and we'll meet in the next video.